often can I use sanitizer and wash your hands during a pandemic coronavirus? With the emergence of the pandemic coronavirus infection, many people learned about sanitizer. Doctors told how often you can use disinfectants and wash our hands. Sanitizer you need to use after contact with a potentially hazardous object, which may contain on the surface of harmful bacteria. In the network there is a popular myth, supposedly these vehicles cause eczema. False information arose due to the presence in the composition of sanitizers isopropyl alcohol and chlorhexidine. It is believed that they kill not only pathogens, but also affect the dermis. Cosmetologists say that anything to do with reality, such statements are not. Chlorhexidine invented over 60 years ago. Since then, he has established himself as an excellent antiseptic that does not dry the skin. Isopropyl alcohol manufacturers use is not technical, and pharmaceutical, which also does not harm the tissues. In addition, protect the dermis moisturizing components contained in sanitizer. During a pandemic, coronavirus is required for 20 seconds to wash your hands, and then apply an antibacterial gel. Such actions serve not only the prevention of SARS and other infectious diseases. Doctors say that the wipes for injections are more suitable for wiping down surfaces and digital devices, not for hands. Need to be concerned about the moisture after all these procedures. Suitable creams with aloe vera, panthenol, glycerol or uric acid in the composition. They can be used as a night mask, applying a thick layer before bedtime to the skin and wearing cotton gloves over the top. For this day we hope that we have succeeded by giving you the full details and information. You can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you.